Beauty. Hi beauties, it's me Evie and I am here with February's premium BoxyCharm. So a special treat for today is our little twist on how I give you the boxes is I have already opened them and I actually have the products on. So that is going to be the twist to this BoxyCharm unboxing. Honestly, I could not wait to open it on camera. I've tried out the palette twice now because when I opened it, I literally squealed. I was so happy. I am a huge fan of some of these brands and I just want to jump into it. So for the first thing, the thing that I was the most excited about is Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. And here we go. This packaging is so beautiful, so holographic. Is it holographic? Is the word? It is beautiful, but what's even more beautiful is the colors inside. We have mattes and glitters, and we have some chunkier glitters and then some smoother glitters. It says take your look to infinity and beyond. With 18 cosmic shades with both bold and neutral shades, this palette delivers infinite possibilities, and it really does. And I always love the mirrors on the Huda products, so this is just right up my alley. So to share, I have this palette on my eyes today, and this is the second time I'm using it, like I said, and I absolutely am in love with it. The glitter goes on and does not cover your face, and I love that. I've used this glitter today and this glitter today with this, and this mattes. So that's I don't know what else to say. It's just a beautiful palette. This retails for $67 and I am so excited to have this in the BoxyCharm premium box. Like, girlfriend. Huda Beauty is one of my favorite go-to makeup brands. If I'm going to choose to, you know, spend a chunk of change, Huda would definitely be one of those brands that I would go to. So excited. Loved that. That was the best surprise. Okay, so the next thing we have is an Ageology, and this is the little packaging. It's so cute. It's those magnetic boxes. It comes with a little bag, and it is a rose quartz facial massager. You can look up YouTube tutorials and see how to use these properly. These are supposed to boost your skin's radiance, firm and smooth skin, reduce fine lines, stimulates blood circulation, and it's just this beautiful quartz stone, and it has the logo on it, Aceology. This retails for $45. The next product from BoxyCharm Premium is this Christopherrobinparis Instant Volume Mist with Rosewater. I have spritzed this, and it does smell exactly like rosewater, and it does give you a little bit of lift. I like that. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula, and it is for long-lasting volume. And, well, we're trying it out today. So, Christopherrobin retails for $39. The next item, I did use this today, and I put it on my eyes. It is Moonlight Makeup Primed for the Night. I love this. I love this packaging. It just has a flat little distributor on the end. And this is an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color whether your adventures lead. Now, I will say, when I was putting this on, I had less creases. The makeup didn't look like it was trying to fill up deep crevices that are happening in my eyes at the moment. I like this a lot. I felt like the color didn't shift as much, if that makes sense, and that you were able to blend exactly where you wanted and not carry it everywhere. I like this product a lot, and I will be using it. This Moonlit Makeup retails for $18. Our next BoxyCharm Prime product is a Viki Beauty. It's a makeup melt, and it literally does that. You spray it on and your makeup just melts off. It says a makeup remover spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. It really does work. So you just put this on, it melts off, wash your face, you're good to go. This retails for $24. And it's just a spray bottle. And it smells pretty good too. Now, our last BoxyCharm Premium Box product is a lip liner. It is from Badass MF. It is a lip liner, and it's this shade that's going around right now that everybody is using to line your lips. And if you want, I didn't do that today, but if you want, this is the perfect shade to exaggerate the size of your lips. I've done that and it looked really cool. I don't have that done today. I just lined my natural lip line and then put red on top. But this is a really popular shade right now and I love it. It went on extremely smooth. It filled in well. I really, really enjoyed this. This UOMA Beauty Badass MF lip liner retails for $16. So that wraps up the end of this BoxyCharm box. And if you were counting, that was 6 full-size products. So that is the end of our BoxyCharm Premium box. And if you were keeping count, that was 6 full-size items. And the big thing I want you to hear is you can purchase the premium box as a standalone subscription. In the past, you would have to pay for the base box and the premium box, but no more. You can go straight to the premium box and enjoy it without having to do the base box. The premium box, I mean, look at it. So the premium BoxyCharm box you can purchase for $39.99 a month. Now, let's just do a little math here. So this eyeshadow palette that I'm crazy about from Huda is $67 alone. That price you pay for the BoxyCharm Premium is almost half of what you would pay for just that palette alone. Let that sink in. And every month you get 6 full-size items, and they're always going to be name brands, top of the line products that you may know about and wanted to try but couldn't because it was too expensive, or maybe it's things that you've never heard about that you're excited to know. That's the way I am. I love finding new products to love. almost all my makeup outside of my eyeshadow palettes are from BoxyCharm now. I have fallen in love with so many products. As always, I want to thank BoxyCharm for gifting me the premium box. I was so excited to get it. I wish I had been recording when I opened the box because I was blown away and so happy. That's it for the February BoxyCharm Premium unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the products in use. I want to wish you all a happy, love-filled Valentines. I know it's coming up. I know some of us don't like it as much as others. I just want to tell you, hey, if you're watching, this is a great present for a loved one, a sister, a mother, a friend, a girlfriend. This is the perfect gift that just keeps on giving. So I want you to go to my description, hit the link, go check out BoxyCharm, see what you want to do with your subscriptions, and be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to hear updates about me or see the latest content. There's some surprises coming, and just stay beautiful.